Looking for a place to call home in the bustling city of New York? Welcome to Pratt Bedford Home, your ultimate student housing destination in the Big Apple. Pratt Bedford Home offers a selection of carefully designed shared apartments, featuring private bedrooms with cozy beds, study desks, and air conditioning. Plus, the shared kitchen and dining room, fully equipped for your culinary adventures, create a space for communal cooking and delightful meals. What's more, unwind in the chill zone with a huge TV after a long day at university, or stay agile in the well-equipped gym. The co-working space ensures you stay at the top of your academic game, and the regular weekly cleaning makes daily life hassle-free. When it's time to hit the books, both Brooklyn Law School and Hult International Business School are just a short drive away. Explore a variety of restaurants, cafes, and bars in the neighborhood, from top-rated options like Kingston Bakery Brooklyn to cozy spots like For All Things Good Bed-Stuy and Cafe Kalaka. With excellent public transport connectivity through the Bedford-Nostrand Avenue station, navigating the city is a breeze. Don't hold back. Get ready to thrive in the heart of New York at Pratt Bedford Home. Visit amberstudent.com to secure your stay today.